Hello everyone, this is Tina from Ortur and so thank you for today you guys watching today our live and today it's already been the February, so I think now you must have no idea that about this date is will be close and close to you guys. So I have no idea about what about you guys. You already start to prepare the project for your Valentine's gift, or maybe you are considering to do some project for your wife, for your girlfriend, anyone. Anyway, this you're going to prepare something for your lover, right? So for today, our live hope I will give you some tips and maybe will give you the ideas. Or if you are considering, you have no idea what I'm going to buy for the Valentine's gift, or maybe you can consider it to buy the Ortur LM 3 or the Ortur LM 3 LE. So for these two machine will give you the help for to start your project to give you the ideas, and you can do a lot of things by your hand that will be more meaningful compared because before maybe you will directly to buy from the on the market and as the gift to your lover, but why you not consider to buy this laser machine to start to do this is by yourself? This will be more meaningful, right? So, okay, so for this now, as you can see, we put the two laser machine here. And for today, our live, we're going to do engraving for the ring. And we're going to do something for a little bit challenge for today. We are not just only to engraving for the outside. I think for the outside, it will be so easy part working for us to do this right. So for the challenging things is we're going to do engraving for the ring inside of the ring. So some people may be curious about how we can do engraving for the inside. So here we are. I'm here to show you, and I add a slipped camera here. And when we're going to do this working, our slipped camera will show closely to you about our software and about the details closely to this ring. And what's more, except we're gonna do the engraving for the ring, and for today, of course, we're gonna have the lucky draw and the special discount for the price here for today. Okay, let's check what's the discount we may got for here. I'm holding this one, and for you guys, you can watching there with a picture on the screen here. As you can see here, if you just need to buy the single pieces of the laser machine, so here we have the two different model to provide you to choice, and we give you the great the discount for you today. And of course, during our live today, I will give you a brief introduction about these two laser machine, what's the difference, and what the functions and features about these two different laser machine. Okay, let's see this one. And if you for today you buy the Ortur LM 3, you can get the discount is you for the event price it's $594.99. So this price, and I think now it's maybe during for all the platform it will be the lowest. So if you are considering to buy Ortur LM 3, okay, now it is time for you to buy for this one. And another model for our Ortur LM 3 is our light vision. For this light vision, for the price, the best price you can get it at the $390.99. So for this click, and here we have the link here on the comment here. You can click it directly to check for the details. For Ortur LM 3, only have the vision with the 10 watts, but for our Ortur LM 3 LE, this vision we have the different the laser module according to the watts. It's different. You can to choose for this one. Okay, except for we have discount for the single pieces of the laser machine, and we have the bundle price for this one. So if you are considering to buy two with our accessories, for example, if you're going to buy Autolace Max 3 with our rotary roller or our Y-axis rotary check, you can get the bundle price is here. You for bundle, if you add with the Y-axis rotary roller, you can get the price is the $623.90 to get this one, and this will save you 150 for this price. And if you're going to buy our Autolace Max 3 and with this model with the Y-axis rotary check, for some friends already know for our Y-axis rotary check, it can do more than YRR, because for this kind of the YRR, it can do engraving for this such kind of the regular cylinders or straight cylinders. But if you're going to consider it to engraving for the ring and some irregular object or some sphere like the baseball or ball things here, you may gonna need this Y-axis rotary check to help you, because we provide 3 different type of the drawer to do this for the different type of the object to do engraving. Okay, here is the bundle price for the Autolace Max 3 with the YRR or the YRC. And we have, of course, some people maybe will consider with a lower budget for the Autolace. For this model, it's our Autolace Max 3 Lite with our Y-axis rotary roller or the Y-axis rotary check. Yes, you can get both get the bundle price during for today online, and this is special event price, the discount for our Valentine during our February. So now you still have chance, because now for the February we may still have 1 week. So during this 1 week you can buy this one and get it and to start your project now. Okay, so this is the discount, and for this month. Okay, let's talk about the lucky draw. What the giveaway will be ready for the lucky draw? Yes, if this the Z device. I'm holding this one. For the Z device, sometimes you may have to frequently to adjust the height for the laser module, right? Maybe it's a little bit inconvenient, or it's you can get a better tool to help you to adjust this one. So you can, for today on live stream, we prepare this Z device. This lifting will help you to more easily and friendly for you to adjust the height of the laser module. So if you are considering, if you are going to buy this one, okay, today we have the chance for you to free get this. So just for today online, we were gonna have a one round of this lucky draw for this gifter. And for today, our ruler, how to participate in the lucky draw, it's quite easy. And because for actually we are considering to use the giveaway with the tours like the another like the live stream tours, but for today this live we're gonna use this one. In future, after we test more about that tours, maybe in future we're gonna use the tours to do the live stream for the lucky draw. Okay, so for today we are gonna use like the same way as write the keyword to the comment, send it to us, and I will use my iPhone to do the screenshot and let you guys to check what's whose name with the correct keyword on the top line. That guy will be the lucky winner. And Peggy, could you help me to find where is my iPhone here? And later I'm going to use my iPhone to do this lucky draw. Okay, I think this is about our lucky draw and our giveaway for this lucky draw and the discount, the price for today are live here. And so now here, before we do start, I will give you the later introduction for this, for the we already did some small pieces of the Valentine project for this one, and I will going to show you closely to the camera, let you guys to see this one. And hope this will give you the ideas if you're going to prepare for the ideas how to do the project. Here I'm holding, this is the 2 necklace for the copper, and this is the bracelet for the copper, and this is the ring. So these 3 things is very normal during our life, and especially for your girlfriend and boyfriend to prepare for this one. Okay, so let me closely to the camera, let you guys to see this one. Okay. Now you can see here, this is the necklace here. The front side is a heart shape of the finger line here. Yes, you can see this, right? And the back side, I engraved my name and with my Jack as my boyfriend name to write here. Okay. Okay, this about the necklace here. So let's check about the bracelet. Yes, the bracelet. I'm just engraved some 3 simple words here. And I did a bracelet for myself. Is like the lucky, like you can engrave some like words like the good luck or something here. Okay, this is about the rings to engraving the love here. Okay. And also we have some ideas. It's like talk about the wood. It's as you can see here, we put on the table there. Yes, like this kind of the photo frame. So this is very small. Also both some small pieces here. So maybe you were going to consider it to start this one, to do this, to add to use our plywood, such this kind of the plywood to make this kind of the heart shape and the photo frame, and also if you have the fancy dinner, of course there will be some like the food like the cake and or something. And what about you think about to add this for your fancy dinner, such as this one, right? Like this some cute and for the couple and lover, this kind of the topper for the cake, special one to prepare a special fancy dinner with your lover. It will be so romantic. I hope someday my boyfriend will be prepare this kind of the romantic things for me also. Every girls I hope want our boyfriend to do this for myself, for ourselves here. Okay, so this is all our project here, and let's talk about something about the laser machine. And before we start do the project for engraving the ring here, as you can see, I put the 2 different the laser machine, but actually the name have a little bit different. So here I will give you the details why it can be, where is the difference and where it's the same. Of course, this is called the Ortur Laser Master 3, and this is called the Ortur Laser Master 3 Lite. So for some function, and there will be less than this one. For example, as you can see, we talk about some important factor about the speed. For this one, the maximum speed is the 20,000 millimeter per minute, right? But for this one model, the maximum speed is 50,000 millimeter per minute. That means there will be 5,000 less than this one. Okay, this about the speed, and let's talk about the laser module for the power. For this one, we only have one choice, one option, one choice for the 10-watt laser module. But for this vision, we have the choice. You can buy with our 10-watt laser module, and of course, you can buy with our 5.5 laser module to add for this model. So that depends on your need and your budget. Okay, here is about the laser module. And what about else? There very important feature about function is that for this one, I think a lot of people already know. For this one, we support the application to control this laser machine to do working. So what about this one? Yes, sure. For our Ortur LM 3 Lite, it also supports for the application to do the working. For you can use your mobile phone to do this working, to connect with your iPad or your Android mobile phone or your iPhone to connect this one to do working also. Okay, this is about these two different versions. And what else the difference is about our safety functions here. As you can see here, for this one, we have the important, the emergency, the red button here. But for this model, yes, we don't have the emergency button for this one. So this is important. And another important here is we have a switch here. Okay, so Peggy, can you add the split camera? Let our friends to see the switch camera here. Yes, as you can see here, for Ortur LM 3, we have a switch. Switch for this side is the Y-axis rotary roller, but switch for this side is the Y model. Okay, here is for this Ortur LM 3. But for our Ortur LM 3, for this light vision, it doesn't have this switch for this one. So that means you have to, if you're going to use this Y-axis rotary roller to use with this together, you have to remove the cable and to plug connect with this one. But for this one, you don't need to remove any cable. You just need to plug in the cable here. This is the cable to plug in here, and turn the switch to this side. That will be connected with our rotary roller or the rotary check. It will be more friendly for our guys to use. But if you think this is not a big problem and you think for this one it can meet your requirement and help you, and of course it's with the excellent the performance on engraving and the cutting both. So just depends on your requirement and your budget to choose one which you like or which you prefer to going to buy. Okay, this is two different about the laser machine, and maybe I hope I can give you the key difference to let you guys to know what's the difference between them. And the biggest difference, of course, is the price, right? The price, you can check the link here to the comment here to check about the price difference here and consider to buy which one. Okay, here and this is about this. Let's talk about for today what I'm going to do. Yes, I'm going to do is to engraving the inside of the ring here. Okay, some offering entries engraving on mentor here. Yes, here I'm doing now to engrave on this mentor now. Okay, let's back to our camera. Let you guys to see the software here. Okay. So the camera is working now. Okay, now you guys can see this camera right now. Okay, here for today, I'm gonna use this picture as for the engraving for the inside of the ring. And here I'm going to use the speed is the 200 millimeter. Because this ring is a titanium steel for engraving for this one. Okay, for if you're going first time to use the Y-axis rotary roller or check, don't forget to here. There is we call it's the laser tools here. And the laser tools here, you guys see here the rotary setup. Yes, before you start working, of course you have to do this setup because we already done for prepare this laser machine. Okay. For alternate, I have wrote can I engraving directly over the mentor without adding any product. Of course, if you're going to engraving on the stainless steel on this kind of mentor, it's no problem, and we can of course and except for this we can engraving for a lot of the coated mentor, like some coated aluminum, for example. This is the red color coated the aluminum, and we can do engraving on the surface here. As for this is the business card here. we're just engraving the logo here, maybe to the small camera let you guys to see here. This is the aluminum one. Okay, so I'm here just to reply to your question here. Okay, any more questions you can write here. I will check this comment here and reply you guys. Here, let's back to our working here. Okay, the rotary setup here. Let's check what you need to do. Because for today, I'm going to use the chunk to do the engraving working. So I'm going to select this chunk. If you are use the y-axis rotary roller, you can select the roller for this one. And don't forget to turn on this one, enable rotary, yes, and the y-axis here. Okay, here there's some numbers, what this means here. Because if you are going to do engraving on the rolling things here, right, you have to use this software ruler to measure the surface or the diameter for the object here. For example, if I'm going to engraving for the ring here, I need to use the software ruler to measure for the circumstance here, and I will write here because for this ring it's the 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter is the 18 millimeter, right? And what if you are going to engraving for this kind of device? Yes, the circumstance it's sure it's different, right? So you have to change the circumstance here and measure it here and right here for this area. Yes, for the circumsurface for this part. Okay, here. Now, after you setting this down, okay, and don't forget for the console here, you have to make sure you have to write the some code, the G code to here to switch to the YRC. And after you finish this and you want to back to the normal engraving working, and you can click the Y model, and so that means back to the Y model for this. Okay, so now I already checked down all this one, so let's do the frame for this one to check the working area is okay or not, or if the picture is too large, and I can easily by control this to adjust the size of the picture, and also move it to use the selector. Select it to move into the different area here, and I'm start use the current situation, position situation here, section here. Okay, here, no problem. Okay, let me to frame this one and let you guys to see the camera about this one. So now you guys, you can see if I'm going to, let's check for the limited camera here. If you're going to inside the ring for the inside part here, for the inside here, you have to adjust the filter, the angle here. Before it was the flat, but because you want to engraving for the inside part, so you have to adjust the angle to make sure to find the best angle and the best area to do this engraving for the inside here. And also because for this one I removed the outside the cover for this one because I want to, it's very closely to the ring here. So if I want to get a clear vision for this part, I need to remove this one to help me to more friendly to let me know clear about if that will be the correct or not, to check the working area here. So let me go to frame it. So maybe for the camera you cannot see this clear, but from here, me by my eyes, I can see that the frame is the size, working size is okay for this one. And okay, so I'm going to do this working now. And don't forget to wear the goggle here. Okay, so I'm wearing the goggle now before we start working. So let's do start. Okay, now the laser machine is working now. Yes, thank you. So thank you for your remind this one. So thank you for our friends reminding me to wear the goggles. Yes, of course, when you go to during the working and you don't forget to wear the safety goggle for protect your eyes. But actually, if you don't want to wear the goggle, you can buy the enclosure. For the when the machine is working in the enclosure, that will be poorly to closed and you don't need to wear the goggle and let the machine working inside of the enclosure. Hi everyone. This will just a few minutes will be done. Okay, I think it's already done now. Let me check. Okay. Let me check this one. Yes, it's already done for this one. And let me use the paper to wipe it. Okay. I can check though. For the picture, it's like some little bit smaller, but it's okay. So let me to go back to the camera to let you guys see this one. So now you can see the inside part, right? There is the ring inside here. But I think I can longer this one to make it more beautiful here. And sometimes we may going to consider to engraving someone's name here for inside here to do this project. Okay, now you already know the secret how we can do engraving for the inside of the ring. It's quite easy. You just need to adjust the size, the flipped angle for the engraving the ring and remove the orange color this shell, and so that's why you can get engraving for the inside of ring. So now everyone know all the secrets now. So now maybe you can try do this one by yourself now. And if you're going to buy yourself, don't forget we have the discount for today. Yes. So are you going to want to try this by yourself? Don't forget we have discounts for today. You can buy our Auto Laser Mastery, and with our rotary change for today, you only can get the price. It's $790.90 to get this price, to get this two, the Auto Laser Mastery and our Y-axis rotary change. But if you want considering a lower budget, you can consider buy this one or with this one you can get the price only $527.98 to get this one. Okay, so we done this project for this one. So I think it is time we're going to do the lucky draw. So are you all guys here? Let me check how many people are here, and you can invite more your friends come here to check. So we can do the lucky draw together. And for today, our lucky draw, the keyword, because today live we are working for the Valentine. So for the keyword, I think the Valentine is will be great. How do you get your focus measure of the laser with the ring? Yes, it's quite easy. So okay, I do this again to let you guys to see this one. Okay. Peggy, please show the flipped camera to our friends. The small camera. I'll let our friends know how to do the focus. Okay, here I already put the ring here, right? You guys can see this one, right? So let me show you how to focus on the ring. Do you still use the foot? Okay, here I'm showing you. Okay, this is the focus gauge, focus bar here, right? Just moving this one and touch to here. Okay, a little bit. I need tighten the screw here. Make sure it's not moving. Okay, I'm tighten now. So just moving this one and touch the surface here. As you can see here, right? It's quite easy, right? So now I already finished the focus, right? Get the focus, the perfect distance if I'm going to engraving for this part, for the ring. Okay. So now you everyone already know how to focus for the inside of the ring, right? And for the back. So that's why I need to remove the orange shell for this part, because for our laser Tongwas laser module, the original it was be like this one, but this part, especially for you, if you're going to engraving for the ring, this may be a little bit you cannot 100% to make sure you are to do the engraving on that area. So better to remove this shell and to do engraving and focus right. Okay, here, let's back to today. I'm going to do the, okay, top or bottom edge of the ring or center line. It's the it's top and bottom. So because here, when we're going to do engraving here, we have to make sure to do the frame here. Okay, let me to use the finger here to let you guys to hear. Okay, let me to use something to let you guys to see this one. Maybe I'm using this one because you are going to you have to make sure the focus, the light, the beam is working on these two area. So that's make sure the light, the beam, when it's do the frame to touch on this part and this part, make sure the light is not over the edge, not over the edge. You have to make sure it's on this part. You can see this one. Let me too closely to you guys to show you. This part, not over the edge for this and not over the edge for that out. So make sure the inside of this part, so the pattern will be engraving on the inside of this area, as you can see here for this one. It's not over this edge and also not over for the left edge here. Okay. Okay, so now you guys already know how to make sure for engraving inside of the ring, right? Okay, let's back for today our lucky draw. For today our lucky draw, the keyword is Valentine. Okay. How many people here? Now we have the 7 people here. So we need you guys to invite more your friends to come here to participate our lucky draw. For our lucky draw, it's quite easy. For today, our keyword is Valentine because we are doing this project as for the special Valentine show for today. I was referring to the focus, the distance due to the angle of the ring. The distance due to the angle of the ring. The distance is the only Yeah, it's depend on the ring distance you work in the area here. You have to make sure the frame, the working size is not over the ring to the two side of the edge here. Okay, for the details, and I will going to show you the video, and you can contact to us by we have the Facebook official Facebook here, and you can check, send message to us. I will send you the video about for how to do this part. Okay, let's back to today all the lucky draw. So what's the lucky draw prize for today? Yes, it's the ZF device, the lifting device here for this one. So you can invite more your friends here and give you guys 1 or 2 minutes. We're gonna to do this lucky draw. For today, our keyword of the lucky draw is the Valentine. So let me to type in here, Valentine here, Valentine. Yes, I already typed in the keyword here, and you guys just need to copy and to stick to your comment here, right here for the Valentine for keyword here. Okay, let you guys give you 1 more minute. Okay, any questions? Also, you can write here. I will be there to check. Let me check how many people will enter the keyword for the Valentine for today. If we have people to participate, of course we will do this. But if nobody to type in for this lucky draw, and maybe we may not do this one. Yes, and this is the free gift for the Z device. You can add to your laser machine if you have the Auto Laser Master 2 or the Pro S2 and or the Auto Laser Master 3. For its universe, it can be used for all the models to do this one. Yes, Valentine. Okay, I can see is there any more friend will be joined together. Here maybe a little bit the internet the delay for this part. Okay, let me check here. Okay, I can hear only two friends here right in the keyword here. Is there any other friends will be join this together? You could win it, Tina, as the labor of yes. But I'm all as the working here. I cannot do this for myself. Sorry. So maybe the next one is it's who? It's Maxi Mother. Sorry, a little bit wrong pronunciation for a name maybe. So you can try copy this one, and maybe it's you or not. If not you, maybe it's him. Then you can try keep to copy and to write to put here to send here. So now only two friends here to write here for the key for this lucky draw here. Okay. You have to keep to copy this. Maybe the siege hawks will get it this one. Okay, I can see you guys already to start copy. So let me give you 1 more minute to try. Let's see who will be the top one on the first level. Okay, I just keep here, and I'm not here not going to watching for this one, but my hand is touched for the screenshot here. So here okay, let's count 10 seconds. Okay, for this one, 10, 9, okay, 8, 8, 7, 7, okay, 6, 6, 5, 5, and 4, 4, and 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm doing the screenshot now. I already did. Okay, let's send to our friends. Let's see who is the lucky winner. Okay. Okay, I can see here. It's the name is the Maxi Mazur. It's so congratulations for you guys, for you, and you got this lucky draw for this one. And for the contact email, I will copy to the comments here, and you can save this one. Good luck. Yes, you're good luck. You got the luck here today. Okay. And now Peggy is copied the comment here to for the contact email here. You can directly to tell us about your delivery address and contact number by this email. And after this live, we will arrange to ship out this gift for you. Okay. So let's back again. Except for the lucky draw, we have the discount, of course. So what's the discount for today? If you buy the single Autolaser Mastery, you will get the price. It's the $594.99 to get this one for the single one. But if you are considering to buy with our rotary roller or our rotary shank for this one together, you can get a better bundle price for this one. For details, you can click the link here for the comments here. Okay, so this about our Autolaser Mastery, and of course for our another model for our Autolaser Mastery Lite, you can get the discount for today also. Like as you can see here, if you buy the Autolaser Mastery Lite, you can get the price it will save 50%. That means you will get price with the $390.99 to get the single pieces here. And if you are going to, if you need the Y-axis rotary roller to help you to do engraving for some like the cylinders, like this kind of the tumbler, yes, of course, it need the Y-axis rotary roller or the Y-axis rotary shank to do this for the engraving for some tumbler and some marks or the glass. These things you can buy get out with our bundle price will be more like this one. If you buy Autolaser Mastery LE with the bundle for this one, it only will get the price will be about the 503.98 to get this price for this bundle. And if you're going to buy our Autolaser Mastery this model Lite with the Y-axis, this one our Y-axis rotary check, and you can get the bundle price also, because for the check it can do more than our roller. For the price, bundle price is the $527.98 to get it. Okay, so and all the link here, I already checked all the link. It's already be there, and if you need this, check this link and get it for yourself. Okay, this for this part, and let's check what else we can do this one. Here, because we for today our live, we are using some accessories. It's about this too, for this rotary shank and the rotary roller, and what another accessories we may use is our photo feet. As you can see here, this photo feet is working now. It's to holding this Autolaser Mastery and make it higher. So here I will give you some introduction for these 3 different accessories. First, I would like to tell you about these 2 difference. Okay, here this also is both called y-axis rotary roller and this rotary check. This roller, this check. So what the difference here? Okay, here let me give you shows here. If you're going to engraving for such kind of the like the this kind of the regular cylinder or this kind of the straight surface here, it's the straight shape, and same like this one, it's straight shape, right? You can do easily to engraving for the surface to put here on the roller, and it will be rolling here with the rotary roller to rolling and to get engraving on the surface here. But what if you are going to do engraving for something like the sphere and or like this shape? It's not straight. It's with like this little bit tilt. And what about the sphere? And what about the ring? How you can do engraving with this one? How you can do engraving this one? Yes, it cannot do engraving for this two. This irregular things like the rings, it's and like the sphere and like the cylinder, irregular cylinder. So you know, for here, I would like to tell you, you can use this one. For this one, we have 3 different type of the drawer. Here I'm holding this 3 is the square drawer. For square drawer, and here for the straight one, the sliver one, this is the start. And we have the 3 laden drawer also. So that means for our rotary check, it can do engraving for such kind of the regular cylinder. And what's more, it can do engraving for the ring, for this kind of the ring, and this kind of the sphere, and of course, and this the irregular cylinders, because we have the 3 different size of the trunk, like the drawer, to catch this one. And yes, you can easily to adjust the angle to make it to find the best angle and working area to engraving for the surface here. Seriously, the YRC is a good pieces of the equipment. Yes. The difference is about, yes, you are care about more about the price. Of course, the price is different, but for this one, we already cut off some like the cut off the lower the speed and cut off some like safety functions here for this model. Okay, we just talked about the YRC here, not finished, and some things like some it's not here. I didn't put too much, but for this one, it can do more than this one. If you're going to do engraving for a lot of things, especially for some irregular things, I recommend you buy this one. Even though this one is expensive than this one, but it can do more than this one. But if you only have the requirement, some people just tell me, I only need to engraving for the coffee cup, for the street mugs, like this kind of the mug. I only have the requirement for this. Okay, no problem. You can try our this one ruler. It can do can do engraving for this simple and straight and regular cylinders. This will be easy to this one. Okay. And another accessories you may gonna need is when you are going to buy the alternating mastery is the foldable feet. As you can hear, the foldable feet is working on the alternating mastery now. What we're going to do with this accessory, we have to hire the alternating mastery to help me to do engraving for the object here. And sometimes maybe you're going to engraving for some like the big size working here, you have to hire this laser machine also. So our foldable feet, and you don't need to remove it. You just, when you finish this working, okay, now I already finished this working now. I just need to fold back, and it will back to the normal working standard like this one. But for our working, our foldable feet, it's more stable because it will for tiered the structure. With this structure, it will be especially under a high speed for engraving or working. The tiered structure will make this auto laser machine more stable. This will be more stable with this kind of the tiered straight. Okay, see here, I can see here. Here I'm checking your comment here. Okay. So you guys can tell me what's the laser machine you are using now for the model. I think some people are older friends, maybe they already have the Auto Laser Master 2 Pro S2. So what about you guys? Have you already upgrade? Maybe get a 10 watt laser module for this one, and have you already get the accessories like this one? What accessory to check to do this working for you? I have the YRR, and now I want. Okay, you want this one? Okay, maybe we have the accessory for today. We have discount also for today. You can check the comment here. Yes, we have the 20 off for the accessories. So if you're going to buy the single accessories, you can get the 20 off for this. Enter the code. Yes, enter the code. Same is here. Okay, let me check where we any questions here. Hope so. For today, our word working is about for the do something for the Valentine's here. But actually, sometimes I would like to do some like this kind of the small pieces, like the ring, necklace, and bracelet. And also, I made this bracelet for my dog here. For my dog, I engraved my dog name here and my telephone number on the inside of the part. And so, just in case if my dog lost and someone will find my dog and call back to me to return my dog back. And this necklace, it's not only just like because I don't want to buy the dog tag for my dog because my dog is very small. And for this kind of the bracelet, it's just right for the size for the necklace for my dog. So I think the bracelet, it can be my dog's necklace here, and also it will be beautiful than this one for this kind of the classic the dog belt. So I would like to make this one for my dog. I have the Auto Laser Master 3 Auto Laser Master 3 Pro S2. I think you're talking about the Auto Laser Master 2 Pro S2, right? Not use my wire, of course, yeah, as yet. Okay. And the Master 3 both running towards. Okay, great. So you have two laser machines to working together. So I think now you must do a lot of the project every day, right? Okay. Okay, so thank you for you guys. Yes, okay. Okay, let me check the area here. Yes, sorry, and I have two. You have two masters 2 and one later 2 Pro S2. Oh, okay, extension kit. Okay, I got. So what about I have no idea about you guys. What kind of the project for you for daily to do the working? But I'm would like to hear from you guys. For normally, what kind of the project you will do most Like for example, our friend may only use our laser machine do with our for the wood project, but some friend want to do with a lot of the mentor project like this kind of the tumbler. Yeah, do with a lot of tumbler. I know one of friend will do a lot of stuff their business to do the with the tumbler to start their business to sell. So what about you guys? You do the project only for the for a lot for the wood or some with more than wood like the laser and some glass and mentor like this material. Oh my god, it's too I'm allowed to make a mistake here. Yeah. Okay. Oh, so you must in the Europe country, right? Yeah, because now I know for the Europe country, it's very early in the morning now. But anyway, so thank you for today watching our live for today. Because sometimes maybe only still we have some our old friends we are watching our live and enjoying this part to do the projector and we were gonna to share the tips together. Sometimes maybe you have no idea for some how to for example you may have no idea how to engraving for the inside of the ring and here I'm going to have this live. We hope my tips will help you if you're going to buy this rotary check to do the projector and to do engraving for the ring now. Logos on the wood project. Okay, for the logos on the wood project, I know some people like for the logos, some for the laser pieces here, like this one, like the logo pieces and small this kind of the stick on for the jacket for the hat. But for the engraving, if you just engraving logo for the wood, that will be two small pieces of this working. It's very easy, and I think you can try more. I'm using logos and presently looking at making some hybrid and wall hang on use the both CNC and auto laser master. Okay, it's great. Like the like this kind of the big size of the wall hangs that maybe require the large size and also maybe you will be need the CNC to cut for the wood the very thickness the high thickness for the wood projector. Okay, and for today our live we still have only have 1 minute and at the end I will introduce you for all you guys if any are new friends here for today our live and don't forget we have the bundle price and also the discount for our Autolace Mastery and our Autolace Mastery Lite. Especially you can get the better price for the bundle. For our the bundle, if you're going to buy Auto Laser Mastery with the Y-axis rotary roller, you can get price is $623.90 to get this one for get the Auto Laser Mastery and this Y-axis rotary roller for help you. And if you're going to buy with our axis rotary check, you can get the price. The bundle price is the $790.90 to get this one. So let's talk about a lower budget for this one. It's with just a lower speeder. It's like about 50,000 per millimeter per minute. And for the laser module, you can choose both the 5.5 watts or the 10 watts. Okay, and for this one, it both supports the application to operate the laser machine. That will be friendly for the newbie and the beginning laborer. So if you're going to buy this model, and don't forget for today, for the single pieces, we got the price is the $390.99, and that's from the $390.99. And if you're going to buy this one with our the accessories like this roller, okay, let's check what's the bundle price. The bundle price is the $431.98 to get this one. And if you buy this model and with our the rotary check, you can get the price is the $527.98 for this bundle price. So from here you can see, you can compare to the different bundle. If you buy more, you can save more. Okay. Have a nice day. So thank you for you guys watching our live stream. And thank you for you guys. And it's time to say goodbye. And if you like our today live, don't forget to follow our live stream. And also here we have some our social media, the link here. You can click and join our Facebook, our user group. Here you can get a lot of tips from our users and feedback here. And of course, don't forget to follow our YouTube channel, because every week we have different like we will upload a lot of the tutorial videos. This may gonna help you to do some working here. Okay. Good night to you, and bye everyone. See you next time. Bye.